Hello friends, here is a report from today's economy section of the Shafaq News website. Foreign transfers dominate central bank currency auction. The Shafaq News website reports that more than 98% of foreign currency sales conducted by Iraq's central bank on Tuesday were allocated to foreign transfers. According to the agency's correspondent, the bank's daily auction sold a total of $272,939,389 at an exchange rate of 1,310 dinars per dollar for both documentary credits and international electronic card settlements, as well as foreign transfers. Cash transactions were conducted at 1,305 dinars per dollar. The report highlighted that most of the sales, amounting to $268,339,389, 98.51%, were used to bolster overseas accounts through remittances and credits. Only $4,600,000 were withdrawn in cash. The correspondent added that just one bank purchased cash dollars, while 4 banks processed overseas account enhancements. Additionally, 9 currency exchange companies participated in the auction. Bitcoin drops below $90 amid market uncertainty. Bitcoin continues to slide, as reported by Shafaq News, dropping to under $90,000, marking its lowest price since mid-November. The cryptocurrency has reportedly lost 6.1%, positioning its trading value at approximately $89,400 as of 8 a.m. Tuesday in London. The price drop is attributed to fading momentum following Donald Trump's election win and concerns over macroeconomic factors. Other cryptocurrencies also suffered losses during trading, with Ethereum and Solana both plunging by 10%. Market analysts suggest that the unpredictable macroeconomic environment, coupled with tariff announcements by the Trump administration, has contributed significantly to the downturn in crypto markets. Gold prices see declines in Baghdad yet hold steady in Erbil. In other financial news, Shafaq News reports that gold prices fell in Baghdad but remained stable in Erbil, the capital of Iraq's Kurdistan region. In Baghdad's wholesale markets, 1 mithqal, approximately 4.25 grams of 21-karat Gulf, Turkish or European gold was priced at 611,000 dinars for sale and 607,000 dinars for purchase, while 21-karat Iraqi gold was sold at 581,000 dinars for sale and 577,000 dinars for purchase. In Erbil, prices did not fluctuate, with 24-karat gold at 715,000 dinars per mithqal, 21-karat gold at 625,000 dinars, and 18-karat gold at 535,000 dinars. USD drops against the Iraqi dinar in Baghdad and Erbil. The US dollar experienced a decline against the Iraqi dinar on Tuesday, according to Shafaq News. In Baghdad, the exchange rate dropped to 148,800 dinars per $100 in the Kifa and Harithia markets, compared to 149,350 dinars the previous day. Exchange offices sold the dollar for 149,750 dinars per $100, while the purchase rate stood at 147,750 dinars. Similarly, Erbil markets witnessed a decline, as the selling price was recorded at 148,850 dinars per $100, with purchasing at 148,650 dinars. Rasheed Bank launches credit plan for 2025. On a more strategic note, the state-owned Rasheed Bank announced the initiation of its credit plan for the year 2025, which covers loans across all sectors. In a statement cited by Shafaq News, the bank encouraged its branches to facilitate the requests of those interested in obtaining loans. The statement also warned citizens against dealing with fraudulent entities or unofficial platforms, urging them to approach Rasheed Bank's branches in Baghdad and other provinces for these services. Iraq leads Arab nations in gold purchases for 2024. In global rankings, Iraq emerged as the leading gold purchaser among Arab nations for the year 2024, as reported by the World Gold Council and shared by Shafaq News. The country purchased approximately 20.1 tons of gold, raising its reserves to 152 tons. In comparison, Iraq acquired 12.3 tons in 2023. Globally, Iraq ranked 7th in gold purchases, following countries like Poland, 90 tons, Turkey, 75 tons, and India, 72 tons. Qatar, the UAE, and Egypt were also highlighted as significant regional buyers. Gold and oil prices rise amid geopolitical and tariff concerns. Gold prices remained close to record highs on Tuesday, driven by global economic uncertainty, according to Shafaq News. Spot gold hovered near $2,950 per ounce, just short of its all-time high of $2,956.15 recorded on Monday. Futures also showed a slight uptick at $2,967.40. Meanwhile, silver and platinum markets registered minor gains. Meanwhile, oil prices recorded a second consecutive day of increases due to renewed U.S. sanctions on Iran, which may lead to supply disruptions. Brent crude reached 75.60 cents per barrel, while West Texas Intermediate WTI rose to $71.30. Sanctions aim to cut Iran's oil exports to zero and have reignited concerns over a potential impact on global markets. Turkish authorities investigate unusual stock market fluctuations. Finally, in Turkey, Shafaq News reports that government entities began investigations into misleading news, which allegedly caused unusual stock market fluctuations on the Istanbul Stock Exchange. In cooperation with the Capital Markets Board, the Istanbul Public Prosecutor's Office aims to identify those responsible for the misinformation. According to the report, the Turkish index closed at 9,602.116 points last Friday, declining 2.09% from the previous session. The board confirmed all trading activity is under thorough review. Thank you for listening in, and I hope these updates offer a clear view of today's economic developments. Wishing you a productive day ahead.